Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an affidavit for university admission. An affidavit is a sworn statement of facts, crucial for verifying information in your application. It's a formal document used when other official records might be unavailable or insufficient. We'll cover everything from understanding its purpose to ensuring it meets legal standards, helping you present a credible and complete application to your chosen university. Let's get started on crafting your effective affidavit. When preparing your affidavit, it's vital to include specific details. Start with your full legal name, current address, and contact information. Clearly state the university's name and the specific program you're applying to. Most importantly, articulate the facts you are attesting to under oath, providing any necessary supporting details or reasons. For example, if you're explaining a gap in your education, be precise with dates and circumstances. Accuracy is key here. Proper formatting and adherence to legal requirements are essential for your affidavit's validity. Use a professional font like Times New Roman or Arial in a 12-point size for readability. Title your document clearly, for instance, Affidavit of your name, and include the current date. Crucially, you must sign the document in front of a notary public or an authorized official. They will then add their signature, seal, and stamp, legally validating your sworn statement. This step cannot be skipped. Before submission, meticulously review your affidavit for any errors or omissions. A single mistake could invalidate the document. Make at least 2 copies, one for your personal records and another for the university. Always submit the original notarized affidavit as instructed by the university's admissions office. Additionally, keep a digital copy saved securely. Following these steps ensures your affidavit is accurate, legally sound, and submitted correctly, supporting your university application effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.